welcome back to my channel. I just came back from somewhere and I have had this makeup on my face for more than I'd say 8 hours. And what happens is our face tends to get like oily. So you can see that my T-zone is quite oily and shiny.
Did you give yourself a facial? I have an oily T-zone.
Okay, dude.
Hey, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Hey,
So just a light layer? Yes, just here and there.
So if you want your makeup to last more than this duration too, so you can use this particular trick to sort of replenish your makeup.
Laugh all you want, but in 10 minutes, we're gonna have younger looking skin. Right there.
you know, she could use a little.
Help
You like if in case you have makeup from the entire day and you just have to like replenish it and go out during the night, so this trick will really come handy. I'm sure like most of us know this. So what you do is just take any cotton pad or so I'm just going to like really dab it really well so that there is absolutely no excess oil. We do tend to like set our face during our makeup routine, but what happens is after a few hours, because most products have like oil content in it, and also the skin also like excretes some oil, so it tends to like get on your T-zone if you are like a dry skin type, or if you have like an oily skin or anything of that sort. You might face this, that if you keep your makeup for a really long time on your face, then this would like tend to happen. Even on your eyelids it tends to they also tend to get oily. So yeah, that's the purpose of setting your face. So what you do is once you're done like tapping off the excess oil, now what you need is a loose powder. So you can also have like a compact powder, because then you don't really have to carry the whole loose powder. So you can either use your compact itself, but I'm going for a loose powder because I'm just used to using a loose powder. So yeah, just use any loose powder or a compact powder, and all you want to do is set your oily areas once again. So I'm just going to take a really little and tiny amount of loose powder. You can also go for a translucent one, but so some translucent powders are like, they leave a cast. But if your translucent powder is good quality and you really trust it, otherwise you can also go for a powder like this, the Maybelline Fit Me one. Since it has coverage in it, it will also help you in case your foundation has like gone away from your skin. This will also help to give you some coverage. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just going to set my T-zone using this powder
here and there.
You can also use a beauty blender to do this. You don't necessarily have to use a brush, because if you think that brush like tends to cake up your face or tends to pick up a lot of product, because some people have this issue, so you can like totally skip on brush and like go for a blender. You might not want to set your entire face, because like the sheen over here or on your cheeks is something which is not bad, so you can keep that. And just your under eyes, your T-zone is something where you really want to set. So it immediately, did you see, it totally took away that oiliness or the shine, the unwanted shine. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So just carry a compact, and you can even do it with the little pad that you get inside the compact powder. So you can also like remove this from baking, but I know not a lot of people prefer baking when you're like replenishing your makeup and stuff, so setting will do your job. All your greasiness is sort of absorbed due to the powder, and only a little bit of sheen is left on the cheek. If you want to cover it up, you can also mattify it. So of course, in the time when we are like all wearing masks and stuff, you want to make sure that you do set your face, because then it tends to transfer. If you don't mind that transfer, then of course it's up to you. But I tend to powder my face over here as well, all the places where the mask comes. Did you see? It makes the face look much better and the makeup looks replenished. Of course, with the lipstick topped up, you will be good to go. Also, if you have to go like somewhere and you really want to top up your lipstick too, because as you see, when you eat and like drink and stuff, your lipstick tends to go away, so you can also like replenish that. So this is what I was carrying on in my bag right now. It's the Smashbox Gulabe, and yeah, top it off with a lip color and you're good to go. So your lipstick is also replenished. Your face makeup also doesn't look like you've been like tired throughout the day, and it looks replenished, as you can see. So yeah, I gave you a real time this thing because my makeup was there for a really long time. Yeah, that ways your makeup is like totally replenished, and yeah, that's what you can do. Yeah, all you had to use was a cotton pad or like tissue paper, whatever you can find at your convenience. That's exactly what you have to use. So this cotton pad will do. So I'll just show you. This cotton pad is from the Miniso cotton pads from the Marvel collection, and yeah, so I just tend to keep like 2 or 3 with me, and you can also keep a loose powder with you. I'm using the Fit Me one, and my shade is 25 medium in this, and I just had like a brush. You can also use a blender if that's more convenient for you, and yeah, that's all you needed. And I'm sure all the girls out there, you must be carrying one lipstick, one lip balm in your bag. That's all I use right now, and my makeup is replenished and I'm good to go if I want to go somewhere from here. So yeah, that's the trick for today. Video helpful, and if you did, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you want any more tips and tricks for replenishing your makeup, so comment down below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.